Hello, everybody. We are starting off this Lamley showcase slash preview with a glimpse at the root beer custom Camaro from the original 16 display set. I previewed this a few weeks ago. It sold out in, I think, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, something like that. It is a replica of the custom Camaro, one of the original Hot Wheels 16 castings. And it is what the 67 Camaro, the model that many of us collect now, is based on. So it has the 67 Camaro has a long lifetime of Hot Wheels legacy. And we have another custom Camaro that is just out, or just released, let's put it that way, or just made available. That's even better. That's why I'm calling this a Lamley showcase and a Lamley preview. Because this model has been made available to RLC members and the public for that matter last Tuesday. It's a preview because no one has it yet. It hasn't been sent. But here's the cool thing for all of you, though, even those who are not RLC members, it is available now for purchase, at least at the moment I am recording this video. 12,000 of these Camaros were made, and we're going to open one up right now. They were made available on last Tuesday for RLC members, which I think a lot of them purchase them, but there are still some left, and that means that HWC members, which is a free membership you can get anytime, HotWheelsCollectors.com, there's a link down below, it's available. I don't know if there's 3 left, I don't know if there's 6,000 left, but ultimately, if you want this, you can get it right now. Now, if you're watching this later, who knows? But I'm going to show this to you. Now, I bought one myself on Tuesday, and in the meantime, while I'm still waiting for that one to be sent to me, Mattel sent me one to show to you. How cool is that? So, if you like what you see, you better be following that link right now. I've got my entire 67 Camaro collection here. It ain't big. That's a small fraction of the 67 Camaros. But I am definitely adding this custom Camaro, slightly different but essentially the same thing, to the collection. Why a 50th anniversary Hot Wheels plain white Camaro? Well, let's get it out of the packaging. Why is this a thing? Well, a lot of you may know, but back in the day, thinking about that, Rupert, when the original 16 were made, some of the Camaros, they're sent to the design center from the factory. What they are, they're new castings. They were done in this white enamel. They were sent to the design team for them to look at, make sure there's no flaws, this and that. In fact, it's all laid out right here. But strangely, a few of these plain white castings with no details were actually released in package back in the day, and they have become some of the most sought after, most valuable Hot Wheels ever. And so to commemorate it, Hot Wheels did this special white enamel Camaro to just to celebrate their 50th anniversary and some of the more iconic models. So that is what they've done. They've even done a kind of rough drawing packaging, like a hand-drawn packaging. You can see the writing here looks a little bit more, I don't want to say sloppy, but a little bit more handmade. I showed you all the details here. I told you there was 12,000 made. They still have the Hot Wheels collectors information there. They've done all of that they can of the 12,000, and this is the model. So, do you want to buy one to keep it packaged? Absolutely. I think that's a good idea, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to open it. Plus, I have one package coming, so I am okay. Should we open it up and let it join my family of 67 Camaros? Let's do it. Kind of always weird to open a package that really, to be honest, wasn't meant to be opened, but I'm going to do it anyway. I mean, imagine if this was the real thing. Oh, boy. All right, here's the pin. But we don't care about that. We care about this. Total replica package, including the little piece of cardboard that they put below the models. And here we are. Absolutely, positively cool model. Plain white. There is details on the taillights on the rear. Painted grille on the front, the Neo wheels. This is the original 16 casting, the replica they made for the original 16 set and series. So this one is really cool. I'm really happy to have 2. In fact, if you want to buy 2, I think you can. Well, maybe you can only buy 1 per account. I don't know. Set up another account. Go buy another one. No one told you couldn't. Anyway, There you go. That is the 67, I'm sorry, the custom Camaro, which joins my collection of 67 Camaros. Thanks for watching. Go get one. Let me know if you're successful. Bye.